What up, ladies and gents? This your boy Big TRELL'Z Vlogcast. Just want to show you where we're at. Me and my wife is going on a walk. We are at, what is it, Sandy Springs Big Tree Forest Reserve. This is a cool little spot that we come to walk. It's not hard. It's just like to get some exercise. But we haven't walked since, I think since November. November is the last time we actually walked. And it is currently March 2nd. So it was like late November when our son came to town for Thanksgiving. And that's the last day we walked. But we want to get back into this because when we first came out here, we were walking at least once a week. So we want to get back into it. But it was work. Things like that kept us from getting out the way we wanted to. So, but we're getting back in it. There's my lovely wife looking at the trail. I think we're gonna do should we do the long one today? This is definitely a good day for a walk. Good day. It's kind of needed because tomorrow is the anniversary of my 1 year anniversary of my mom's death. Yeah. So last night I was just kind of in my feelings. I was just quiet, really. So, yep, 1 year, March 3rd.
So we come out clean.
Water so peaceful. Water sounds so peaceful.
Let's go. Let's go.
We made it. How you feel?
Like I did something.
I know that. I found a little hill right there. Woo. Some work.